Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com and welcome to my Zen review. So Zen launches tomorrow, which is the 22nd of November at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. And I'm inside the members area here and I'm going to give you a run through and show you what's inside here in a few minutes. But Zen is a powerful new Instagram traffic app, which is going to enable you to put your any affiliate link that you may be promoting in front of hundreds of free buyers. It's going to automate the process. It's going to really give you lots of done for you templates and enable you to really make it an easy process. It's a very, very powerful app. And if this is something that's going to interest you, I've also put together some very, very high quality custom bonuses that I'm going to give away to you today free of charge if you decide to purchase Zen through my affiliate link, which is the first link in the description below this YouTube video. It brings you to my bonus page here. All you got to do then is just scroll down and click on any of the big red buttons on the page. That'll take you to the sales page where you'll be able to scroll down and pick up your purchase of Zen by clicking on the red button on this page, and you'll be able to get that instantly delivered on the Warrior Plus network along with my bonuses, and they're going to be free of charge for you. All you got to do is pick up the front end of Zen, which is $17. But the only thing you need to do is make sure you get back to my bonus page before this countdown timer reaches 0, because when that happens, unfortunately, my bonuses will expire and I won't want you to miss out on them, because they are special bonuses and they're going to really help you with your purchase of Zen today. So as I say, just by picking up the front end for $17, and then I'll give you a little tip as well. If you go on the sales page, go to click off, you're going to get a $5 discount. So you'll be offered a $5 discount if you go to click off and then click on the pop-up as it offers you the discount. You're getting it, so effectively you're going to get it for $12. You're also going to get the opportunity to win a free copy of Zen, as I say, which is the most powerful Instagram traffic app. You also get a chance to win $100 and an iPhone 12 mini for attending a live. So if you just click on the button there to register, you might get a chance. I think it's 20 people get a chance of winning there. So that's another opportunity that's well worth having. So Zen here, I'm going to show you what my bonuses are. To say you're going to get those by picking up the front end only for $17, less your $5, so $12 only. You'll get Zen, the powerful Instagram traffic app, along with these bonuses as well. So bonus number 1 is going to be the full access to JavaScript Commission Bot Pro from John O. Armstrong. This is the version, says the Pro version. It's very powerful. This is also an Instagram traffic bot. It's going to enable you to really increase your followers on Instagram. It does this automatically. It's very, very clever. I've used this myself. It only came out sometime this year, 2 or 3 months ago. So you're going to get this for the first 24 hours only. So you need to be back here by 11 AM on the 23rd of November. Make sure that you don't miss out on that one. Bonus number 2, you're going to get 1000% unique content in 5 minutes for free. So this is content that you're going to be able to use to offer to your subscribers as you build your buyers list through Zen. And bonus number 3 is Facebook Ad Secrets. This is an advertising tutorial of how to use Facebook ads. Jono does this very, very successfully in his own business. Bonus number 4 then is you're going to get the email marketing course, and obviously because you're going to be getting buyers to your affiliate offers, you'll be building a list, and this is going to help you to market to that list in the correct way. Bonus number 5, then you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on any of those by buying through my link, as I say, which is the first link in the description below this video. You're going to get the vendor bonuses delivered to you as well, just by clicking on the red buttons on this bonus page. Don't forget the countdown timer. Make sure you don't miss out there. once you're taken to your purchase, you've made your purchase, you'll be in your receipt page or Warrior Plus. You just click on the blue button there, and that will instantly deliver all these bonuses that I've just shown you completely free of charge, just for the front end, which is $17 minus $5, so an absolute bargain. So I'll show you the sales page now. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, just you can do this in your own time, have a look and get yourself back to my bonus page. So this is you're 30 seconds away from getting any link in front of hundreds of free buyers. You can work from home with this, 100% pandemic and recession proof, 2021 ready traffic app, first to market software, newbie friendly. It's a 5-year money back guarantee. I've not seen that before. You don't get that offered very often. You get results, or we'll pay you $1,000. Quit your job and attain freedom. So some powerful statements there from Billy Darr, who's the creator of the product. He's obviously very confident that this is going to work for you. I'm sure he's produced lots of quality apps in the past, and you're gonna really see how good that is. It's an absolute no risk. There's proof of earnings. This is Billy there. So as I say, have a look at this sales page. It's a long page. There's got lots of information on that. Come back and have a look at this in your own time. I just want to show you inside the members area now. So this is the dashboard. Once you're in here, you can click on accounts. You've got accounts here. So there's different, you can have multiple Instagram accounts of your own. Set all these up here. You can create designs in there. You've got a media manager. It will manage your posts. Then sort out your hashtags with a hashtag generator. There's a ton of stuff in here for you to use inside the app. So it's very, very powerful, and you're going to really be able to get your links in front of lots of traffic with this app. So there are some upsells which I'll show you what they are. You don't need to buy these to get the best out of Zen, but I'll show you what they are. So you've got to say the front end's $17, less your $5 discount, so it's $12 for that. You've got upsell number 1, the Zen Unlimited Edition for $37. So the Unlimited Edition of Zen has unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, and also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell number 2, Zen Traffic Edition, $37. The Traffic Edition of Zen lets you unlock the additional traffic features for even more viral traffic for free. Upsell number 3, Zen Done For You Edition, $197. With this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. Upsell number 4, Zen 100k Funnel Edition for $37. The 100k Funnel Edition lets you instantly import a funnel template that has done over $100,000 in sales for the team personally. You can instantly edit, customize and use the templates for your own business to get traffic, leads and sales. And upsell number 5 is Zen ATM Edition for $197. You'll experience a very individual custom funnel setup experience, and how they actually set up a funnel for you on your hosting with your account so you can build a list and make money. So not only is the funnel completely set up for you, but we also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails are added, and additional traffic tutorials. So say, though you don't have to buy any of those upsells, there are some good ones in there, but you don't need to buy any of those to get my bonuses completely free of charge. So just bear that one in mind. Just buy the front end for $17 if you like, and get that $5 discount, and you get all my bonuses instantly delivered to you free of charge. Okay, that concludes my review of Zen today, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.